Hi guys, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to be using our -wblock command. This is something that we type into our command prompt and is different from just our wblock command, our right block command. The difference between a wblock and a regular block would be that the regular block is created in the drawing and stays within that drawing. Unless you resave it out to a different location, then that creates the wblock. So let's draw a quick object here that we're going to create a block with. I'm just going to be using some hotkeys. Just a couple simple shapes here. Okay, so I'm going to now create our wblock. So we can see the difference actually. I'm going to copy this other object right over here so you can pay attention with me. So if I just select the W block, I'm going to be typing that in. That's the key, one of the key things. It's going to bring up this dialog box asking where we want this drawing to be saved. So let's do a test 3. Enter, and now enter again. Endpoint for the base point. I like to usually do an endpoint. Now it's going to ask me what objects to select. Right click, and it's poof, it's gone. I could reinsert this into the drawing as a block, as a W block. Okay, so alright, so since we just had that block disappear on us, we're going to bring it back in. I'm just going to type in insert. And that was test 3. So let's just click on that. And we see we have our base point, our insertion point, where our cursor is located. And we have our shape. We have our block.